Hello everyone, my name is Jamil Khan and my roll number is 12, and today I am going to explain you need for error control coding and types of error. So first we will understand what is the need for error control coding. So let's start. When a digital signal is transmitted between systems, the channel gets distorted because of addition of noise to the transmitted signal, and this noise can introduce error. This means 0 may changes to 1 and the 1 may changes to 0, and this error became a severe problem in the performance and accuracy of the digital system. Therefore, it is essential to detect and correct the error. And to improve the reliability of data transmission, the designer has to increase the signal energy per bit to noise power density ratio, that is E suffix b by n suffix o. So here is the figure which shows the digital communication system with channel coding. So the channel encoder which accepts the message bit and add redundancy, thereby producing encoded data at a higher bit. And the next one is channel decoder. Channel decoder identifies the next redundant bit and use them to detect and correct the error in the message bit, if any. Thus the number of error introduced due to channel noise are minimized by encoder and decoder. So next we will understand types of transmission errors. Basically there are two types of transmission errors which are introduced during the transmission of data. So they are random errors and burst errors. So the random error, the error which occurs purely in the random manner, are known as random error. So they are created due to wide Gaussian noise in the channel and they are totally uncorrelated. So the next, burst error. So the error which occurs in the form of bunches and are dependent on each other are called burst errors. So now we will discuss types of code. Actually there are many different error correcting codes classified into two categories. They are block codes and convolution codes. So the major difference between these codes is that block code does not need memory, and whereas convolution code needs memory. Next we will discuss method of controlling errors. There are two methods to control the error. First one is automatic retransmission request, which is also called as ARQ, and the second one is forward error correction, which is also called as FEC. So the first one is automatic retransmission request, ARQ. So in this method a small number of redundant bits added to the original data sequence, which allow the receiver only to detect the error. If any error is detected, the receiver may ignore or it may request for retransmission. So the next one is forward error correction. So in this method a large number of redundant bits are added to the original data sequence, which allows the receiver to both detect and then correct the error bit in the data sequence. Thank you.